Dear students, welcome to the Standard 5 Social Studies class. Children, kindly open page number 45. Today I am going to teach you chapter 7. The prairies, the vast grasslands. Dear children, let me ask you a question. What do we mean by grasslands? And the answer is grasslands are very large or vast lands with tall grasses, bushes, and few trees. About 1/5 of the Earth's land surface is covered by grasslands. Now we will see the location of grasslands. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in the temperate zone. We can also say that they grow in warm and dry places where there is very little rain for forests to grow, but enough rain to stop the land from turning into desert. These types of grassland lies between 23 degrees south and 66 degrees south is the southern hemisphere. These grasslands are known by different names in different continents. Let's see. The prairies in North America, the steppes in Russia, the pampas in South America, the veldt in South Africa, the savanna in Central Africa, the downs in Australia. See the children, fact file. The prairies are sometimes called oceans of grasses. Dear children, now we will see location of prairies. Prairies is a French word which means meadows or grasslands. The prairies form a triangular area covering about 1.4 million square miles. The prairies are located in the northern hemisphere, halfway between the equator and the North Pole. A vast stretch of sloping grassland is situated in the interior of North America. It extended from Canada to Mexico. Students, turn the page. Page number 46. The area was once covered of the Europeans. It was a grazing ground for bison. Today it is the biggest farming region of the world. The Mississippi and the Missouri are two big rivers that pass through this region. They provide water for irrigation. Children, see. This is the picture of different types of grass. Now we will see climate and vegetation. The prairies have a huge difference in temperature. The summers are hot and winters are cold. A moderate rainfall of about 50 to 60 cm is received during summers. The rainfall varies in this region. In winters, the snowfall helps the grasslands in retaining moisture of the soil. Trees are rare in the prairies except along the rivers. The climate is not suitable for growing trees. European settlers used these grasslands first for grazing cattle and then as a farmland. Flowers like asters, blazing stars, caneflowers, goldenrods, sunflowers, clovers, wild indigos, etc. are found these regions. Children, see colorful plant life. Now we will discuss about wildlife. Animals like deer, antelope, rabbit, prairie dog, mouse, etc. live here. Bison, which was once the most commonly found animal here, has now become almost extinct. Birds like blackbirds, grouses, meadowlarks, quails, sparrow, hawks, owl, etc. have been the old inhabitant of these regions. Okay students, thank you.